Hey guys, look what we have here. Nice pretty Trane unit. Been here a little while. It's a 2.5 ton. Just got here. Took the doors off. Check this out. Don't we just love a pile of ants? Look at here. This machine has not been touched in a very long time. Not terribly bad in here. Couple spider egg bags up in there. Lovely. Lovely. Just lovely. Watch this. Damn, this thing actually starts. Oh man. Let me get a shot back. Look at that. It's cold. It's got Freon. Don't know how much, but there's something in there. I've not seen these many ant piles in a long time in one machine. Fun. Well, they're fixing to get sucked up with a vacuum cleaner. Okay. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned.